Herbie. No, drop it. What are you doing? Give it here. Put it out. Come on. Out. Come on.
She's green.
Come on. Herbie. No, come on. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Kiss. I'm gonna see if I tell her no, if she still does. No, Herbie, no. No, Herbie, no. It's okay. No, Herbie. No, come on, girl. No, it's okay. No, Herbie, no. Okay, come on, you can have it. Herbie, no.
Don't do that.
I didn't mean to scare you, baby. I'm sorry. Here you go. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to scare you, baby. I just
Charles,
couldn't
you
make you
okay?
drop it.
You scared.
I'm sorry, baby girl. I'm sorry. Hey, no. Can I have this? Can I have it? Hey, Herbie, can I have it?
Good girl. She
Hey.
said, okay. I'll just eat your finger.
Give me something better.
She wants to do that because I think she's been waiting.
There you go.
See, oh my God.
She's so eager for it, huh?
Out of this.
This is a 1x2 or 1x3 or whatever this is. 1x3. No, it was a 1x3. Scrap piece we use for Dremel practice. Hey, honey.
That's what she's gonna do in your finger.
No, listen. Think of how much money I can save on my woodworking tools. I just draw a line, figure out what I need her to eat, and then let her eat that much. Like, oh, that's perfect. Okay, let go. Let go, Herb. Hey, go, Herb. Hey. No, that's perfect. Now we just gotta take a little off of this side. We're almost done. Just a little bit more. Yes, that's perfect. Just there. I don't need a saw or a drill. Who needs a chisel or a planer? Look at this.
Give it to her so she will hold it. Oops.
Oh.
Just like, there you go. You can have that.
She's like, boom, perfection. Wood shot by Herbie. Herbie, you're an artist. It's an original creation. We can make that our charcuterie board. Whatever those are called. Charcuterie boards or whatever the hell
Try giving that to her again. So she still wants it.
You want this again? Yeah, they put bad things in that one. I'll take the plastic off. I don't want my Herbie to get any plastic or staples. Okay.
Oh, does Herbie come from Brazil? Is that where she
Yes.
came from?
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, Herbie comes from the Amazon.
Real.
Like that really.
She's just dancing.
She's like, oh yeah, good, that's my jam. Oh, you like that one, huh? Alright, let's go put it on.